Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going to show you what I do to keep human earrings inside the ear of dolls, particularly the Blythe dolls. They have that wide hole. Darren was going to print some little earrings on the 3D printer, and we just haven't got that far. But this is what I do. If you put an earring in, it's just going to fall out. So what I do first is I bend it one way and then I bend it another way so that, can you see that? I don't know if my hand, okay. And then I take the glue gun, the hot glue gun, and burn myself every time because my hot glue gun hates me. And I just run a bead on that and kind of wrap it so that it makes it tacky. Oh, good, it's so tacky, I got my hand all in it. This is what happens when I use the glue gun. When that dries, I put that in the ear, working it in because I've got that bend in it so that it stays. And there's the earring. So here they are with their little studs. I like them. I like them a lot. Yes, I do have some diamond studs like that. My kind of me is wearing. I really like these. I love this little Lucy doll. That's my little Lucy. New favorite. And you can also do that with the Rainbow High. You can get earrings cheap at garage sales, thrift stores. And I got these 6 pairs. I always put the backs back in the container. I got these 6 pair for $1 on clearance at Walmart. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.